بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Course 2 Grammar. The word is sha'a. Page 3 pointer D. Same question answer. So we're gonna
Yes.
learn the word sha'a in this lesson. Let's take sha'a means he willed. Sha'a means he willed. Weak letter in the middle, Hamza at the end. Weak letter is Alif and Hamza at the end. So Sha'a means he will. And we almost time we use it in Sha'Allah when we say Insha'Allah. So Sha is fi'al there. This is fi'al madi. So let's do the conjugation. Let's do Sha'a, he willed.
Sha'a, they will.
Sha'u, they willed.
Sa'u, they will.
And Shi'ta, you will.
Sita, you will.
Shi'tu, I willed.
Situ, I will.
Shi'tum, you all willed.
Situn, you all will.
Shi'na, we willed.
Sidna, we will.
Perfect. So key of fi'l madi, willed, wanted, wished. This word has three meanings. Almost time it is used in will. Spoken Arabic, hal sha'a.
Al sha'a, nam,
Hal sha'u.
nam, sa'u,
Hal shi'ta.
nam, sita.
Hal shi'tum. Nam, say nam shi'tu. Nam shi'tu.
Situ. Nam, situ.
Yes. Hal shi'tum.
Nam, sitna.
Nam shi'na. Yes. Set the camera. Your video, this is half. Yes. Khairan means something good. So, hal sha'a khairan?
Nam.
Naam sha'a khairan.
Hello, Fanike.
Nkili.
And then hal sha'u khairan?
Nam sa'a khaira.
Naam. Hal sha'u khairan?
Oh. Nam sa'u khaira.
Hal shi'ta khairan?
Nam sit khaira.
Hal shi'tum khairan?
Nam sidna khaira.
Hal shi'tum khairan? Naam shi'na khairan.
Nam sidna khaira.
Okay, translation of shi'na. Shi'na. Madi jama' mutakallim. A, B, C, D. You have to choose.
We will wish.
We will. Perfect, mashallah. We will wish, you choose.
We will.
This is D.
Yeah, this is this.
Perfect, mashallah. Hal khiftumullah. Hal khiftumullah.
Al-Histumullah. Nam.
The answer should be
Nam Hiftullah.
Naam. Khiftullah. Khafullah. Nakhafullah. Khifnallah. Because this is
Nam Khifnallah.
perfect. MashaAllah. Naam. Khifnallah. Okay. I'malu ma shi'tum. I'malu ma shi'tum. I'malu ma shi'tum.
I'malu ma si'tum.
Yeah. The meaning is do whatever they will, do whatever you will, do whatever he wills, and do whatever you will.
I'malu ma si'tum. Do whatever you want. Do whatever they will.
what day شئتم.
Situm.
Yeah,
Tum. Do whatever you will.
yeah, perfect.
Mm.
Because it would be day if it would be day if there is sha'u.
Sahu.
Sha'u. There's a shئتم.
Situm.
Yasha'u is the keyword of mudari. Yasha'u wills, wants, wishes. Yasha'u, yasha'una.
Yasau. Yasauna.
Tasha'u, asha'u.
Yasau.
Repeat, tasha'u, asha'u.
Tasau. Sau.
Yeah, tasha'u, you will. Asha'u, I will. Tasha'una, you all will. Nasha'u, we will.
Yasau. Yasau. Yasauna. Tasau. Asau. Tasauna. Nasau.
هل يشاء؟
Nam.
هل
Yasau.
يشاءون؟
Nam. Yasauna.
هل تشاء؟
Nam. Asau.
هل تشاءون؟
Nam. Nasau.
Your camera is hide. Yeah,
Mm.
now it is hide. هل يشاء خيرا؟ هل يشاء خيرا؟
Nam Yasau Khaira.
هل يشاءون خيرا؟
Nam Yasauna Khaira.
هل تشاء خيرا؟
Nam Asau Khaira.
هل تشاءون خيرا؟
Nam Nasau
نعم
Khaira.
نشاء خيرا. ما شاء الله. Translate into Arabic. We wish. We wish. Which word is used for the meaning?
Nasau.
We wish, not I wish.
Mm.
Asha'u means
Si'atum.
I wish.
Mm. Si'atum. Si'atu.
Shi'tum means you all wished.
Si'atum. Asa'u.
This is nasha'u, nasha'u. Nasha'u, we wish.
Oh, Nasau, yes.
Yes, and nasha'u, I wish. هل
Nasa.
تشاءون خيرا؟ هل تشاءون خيرا? The answer should be
هل تساؤون خيرا. Nam. Nam Asa'u Khaira.
the answer should be C.
The answer should be Nam Tasauna Khaira.
The answer, this question and answer just same. هل تشاءون؟ نعم نشاء تشاءون. What do you mean?
Tasauna, that's it. Nam Sa'ana Khaira.
نعم نشاء خيرا. A is correct, not B and C and D.
Mhm.
You know what I'm not listening.
Okay, so translate nakhafu. You can select more than one. Nakhafu.
Translate Nakhafu. We will free.
We will
Cool.
fear,
We will fear.
and we feared, they fear. Which word is
We
correct?
will fear. We fear.
Perfect. So sha'u. فعل أمر شاء.
Sa'u.
لا تشاء لا تشاء.
لا تساء لا تساء.
Translate فلا تخافوهم.
ولا تخافوهم. So don't fear us. So don't fear him. So don't fear. So don't fear them.
MashaAllah. So don't fear them. Sha'in, sha'in, mashi'un, mashi'ah.
Sa'in, sa'in, masita.
Mashi'un, mashi'atun.
Sa'in, masi'atun.
This spoken Arabic. هل أنت شائن؟ هل أنت شائن؟
هل أنت سائل؟ نعم أنا سائل.
هل أنتم شاؤون؟
نعم نحن سائلون.
ما شاء الله. هل أنتم خائفون؟
أنتم خائفون؟ نعم نحن خائفون.
ما شاء الله. Okay, let's do the complete conjugation. Yeah, now do it yourself with action, with correct action. And the camera should be just clear now.
Sa'a, sa'a,
I
sa'u.
can't see the actions.
It's good?
Yeah, better than before.
Good now, huh?
Now it's good. But your finger is in front.
Now it's good.
Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Sa'a,
Yes,
sa'u,
yes.
sa'atu.
Shita.
Oh, sita, sa'atu,
Yes.
sa'atun, sena.
MashaAllah. Now mudari'.
Sa'atun, sa'atu.
Yasha'u, yasha'una, tasha'u, tasha'a.
Yeah.
Tasha.
Yasa'u, yasa'una, tasa'u, sa'a, tasa'u,
Asha'u,
asa'u.
tasha'una.
Yeah. Asa'una, nasa'u.
MashaAllah. And the last tasha
Tasa'u.
for feminine. For feminine. So now sha'u,
Sa'u,
la tasha'u.
la tasa'u.
The sha'in, mashiyun, mashiya is same. So in the
Sign.
Quran, only Madi and Mudari forms of Sha'a are there. Therefore, we will not practice other forms here. Ja'a and Ja'a bihi. Ja'a means he came. This verb comes in the Quran only in Madi form. Therefore, we will practice only Madi form. Ja'a, he came. And Ja'a bi. Ja'a bi shay means he came with. He brought something. He brought. Okay. Ja'a means he came, something came up, something came, Ja'a, something came. But when someone took something with him and he comes to us, so it means he brings something to us. He brings something. So Ja'a bi means he to bring something.
Ja'a bi,
and to come with something. Yes. Like إذا جاء نصر الله. So Ja'a, Ja'u.
Ja'a, Jahu.
Jita, oh, sorry. Jita, jitu.
Jita. Jitu.
Jitum, jitna.
Tum. Jidna.
Ja.
Ja.
Yes. Next, sha'a.
Sa'a.
Yasha'u.
Yasa'u.
Sha.
Sa.
Sha'in.
Sa'i.
Mashi'un.
Masi'un.
Mashi'ah.
Mashi'a.
فعل ماضي and فعل مضارع في شاء are فعل ماضي and فعل مضارع في شاء are
I'm looking for the dumbbell.
yes, شاء and
Sa'a.
فعل مضارع في شاء and ماضي.
Sa'a. Sa'a yasa'u. Sa'im masi'atu.
You have one more attempt.
I have more than that.
You have one more attempt.
Okay.
1 second. You just like
Sa'am fi'l madi. Si'atun. Sha'atum.
شاء يشاء simple. شاء ماضي شاء مضارع. Okay, 3 verbs key of khafa yakhafu. Everyone should be verb.
Khafa yakhafu. Khaif.
MashaAllah. You chose khaif
Yes.
and khafa yakhafu. Okay, but khaif is not a verb.
Khafa yakhafu. Khaf.
Sounds better.
Yeah. Khafa yakhafu.
Alhamdulillah, we have done it. Yes. May Allah help us recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Amin ya Rabbi. Subhanak Allahumma bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك